Ever felt lost when developers start talking about APIs, databases, front-end, back-end? Well, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll break down app development terms in plain English so you can confidently navigate the development process. So now let's start with front-end versus back-end. What does that mean? Front-end is everything the user interacts with, the UI, the design, the animations, and backend is everything that runs behind the scenes, the database, the logic servers. When it comes to databases and APIs, a database stores user data like Firebase, PostgreSQL, or MySQL. APIs connect different systems. For example, Google Maps API for location services in your app. There are several tech stacks to consider. For native apps, there's Swift for iOS and Kotlin for Android. Hybrid apps use frameworks like React Native or Flutter. And if you're looking at no-code solutions, there's Bubble, Adalo, and Glide. For hosting and cloud services, you have options like AWS, Google Cloud, and Firebase, which store your app's data securely. Don't worry though, if you don't remember everything, this is just to give you a foundation before we move forward. In the next video, we'll cover how mobile apps make money.